5 different flowers and what we call them in the English language. Let's do this. The first flower is often used to show love or affection. And did you know that there are over 1,000 species of this flower? That's right, it's a rose. Number 2. This flower got its name because it turns its head in the direction of the sun as the sun moves across the sky. It's a sunflower. Number 3. They are famous for their beautiful cup-shaped blooms. Originally from Turkey, but now known to be growing in abundance in Holland in farms, this flower is a tulip. Number 4. This unique flower floats on the surface of ponds and lakes. It's a lily, a water lily. And number 5. These flowers are unique because they often grow on trees and on rocks, and not so much in the ground. Orchids. I also am lucky enough to see a huge variety of orchids because I live in Thailand and they just grow wild. They are beautiful. What's your favorite flower? Let me know in the comments.